Hi, today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the JURA E6. Let's get started. So we've received our machine and let's see what's inside. The machine is beautifully well packed, nice and sturdy for its trip over from Europe to Canada. Perfectly safe, and everything that you need is right in the box. We have the filter holder, cleaners, your pre-ground coffee scoop, your milk cleaning container, and most importantly, you have the manual. And there we go. Just a beautiful stunning machine, isn't it? So everything that we need to work the machine and make exquisite cups of coffee. Now, the most important part. Now, even though the machine is very simple to use and the machine itself explains all the steps, it's very important to read the manual. Now we're going to carry on by testing the water hardness of the water that we're going to use. The machine comes with a test strip. We're just going to test to see what the particulate matter is in the water so that the machine will know when to ask us to descale. Because by following the proper maintenance, I can extend the life of my machine. I can allow the machine to last much longer. I'm just going to adjust the water hardness on the machine to match what's on the paper. And now we're ready to insert the filter, just like the machine is asking us to. And a nice quick rinse that will flush the filter and start to flush the machine a little bit as well, making sure that our coffee will be perfectly on point. They're just completing the rinsing of the machine itself, so that all the lines will be perfectly clean and ready to go. Now we're ready to make our first cappuccino. The machine has been hooked up to our milk container, and we're ready to open the circuit and make the milk froth. Beautiful steam, nice and hot, but not too hot, so my milk remains nice and creamy and rich and unctuous. Beautiful, nice, thick froth. Ready for the next step of that beautifully dark, rich espresso. Now, how's that for a beautiful cup? And now we're ready to make our first espresso. We're just going to move the coffee tubes down so that we don't get any splashing. We can adjust our coffee intensity for that perfect cup, as well as the length of the coffee. So you can adjust things just the way you like them. And look at that, a nice, rich, smooth crema. Beautiful coffee with a stunningly beautiful machine.